So let's go ahead and unbox this. We just got the Nest thermostat. Oh yeah, here we go. There you go. That's your Nest. Check it out. Look at that. This comes off, put it over there. Here's your Nest. We can pull that thing off, pull that off, get rid of that stuff. And let's pop it out of there. See what comes with it. All right, so basically you get the unit itself right here. You're gonna get, this is the plate that has to go on the wall. Let's look inside and see what else we got. All right, so they give you another face plate right here in case you got big holes that you can cover it. And this is if it's right on your air handler. And there's extra screws, but it should be pretty simple. It'll take about 20 minutes to install. So let's try it and see what we can do. This was inside of that little piece, and it says turn off the power so you don't kill yourself. And so what we've got to determine is if this is a 110 or 120. So there's the model, you follow me? Serial number. So I guess what we'll have to do is we'll have to pull this and then take a look at it. You know, it says pull.
Yeah, let's not. Okay.
So here's our wiring. It's always good to take a picture of it so that you know what wires went into what, but you can see the yellow wires going into the Y, the green wire is going into the green, and the second green wire is going into that C, the red goes into R, and the white goes into W. So that shouldn't be too hard, right? We should be able to just go ahead and do that on the Nest. Let's take a look at the Nest and see what it shows. You look on here, you're gonna see there's a Y, right? You're gonna see that there's a G, all right? And then under the G, you've got a CB, which is probably gonna be that other green wire. And then across from it, you're gonna see a W, that's the white one. And then you're going to see the R, which is the red one. Let's open her up. Okay. Air handler is what pulls the air and pumps it through your apartment. Compressor is the thing that's outside of the apartment. Let's go turn this off first, and then let me check. Okay, that's good. And now let me check and see if I've got any power in it. So have I got it turned on? Yeah. I mean, I'm not seeing anything. So I got to get all these out of these little things. And if you notice, these things are popped back, or maybe like this. So I got to push it down. You see how I did that to get that out. Now you don't want to touch them because who knows if they're hot, right? Could be hot, could not. So I'm going to do this one next. Okay, that one's out. Pop it over so I don't get electric juiced. All right. So next we're going to do the white one. Come on over there. All right, there we go. That was hot. All right, come on out. Oh, we got them all. Look at that. All right, so you can see that I'm being very careful. We did turn off the breaker. So, you know, push this up. Come on, man. Come out of there. Ah, got it. Whew. All right, so now I got to do this and this and pull this plate off. All right, we're in reverse. Let's go. Let's try not to get electrocuted as we do it. I don't want that lead hitting my drill. That'd be good. There's that one. There's that one. Okay, we'll finish spinning them with our fingies. Yeah, we'll need that in a minute. So we got this one off. So what we're going to do is take this off of here. We're just going to pull it off. Just like that. That's it. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Let's save this. All right, we don't want to lose this. We might have to put it back on. All right, it looks like we got to cover a big space. So let's go ahead and get that other plate. So let's push this through. So we've got this plate here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to really screw this plate in here. I'm going to put this on top of it here, like this. Get it in there. So it sits right there. All right, so if you look, you see there's a level on it. All right, so what I can do is I just screw this one in. All right, Madison, I need your assistance. Okay. I want you just to come over here and put your finger right there.
Here?
Yeah, just hold it. Push against it. You got pressure against it? All right, you keep that right there. So I don't have to drill if I want to just get this to go in. So right now we're right in the middle. All right, come over here and hold it. You got it? Here we go. I don't want to go too tight. All right, that's good. Now the other screw. So we're looking good there. Here we go. Going in. Because this stuff is plastic, you don't want to go too tight. All right, how's it feel? That's in. We're good. All right, so our next fiasco is we've got to insert all of these wires. So there's the yellow wire. All right. So that's Y1, right? Now we're going to get in tighter so you guys can see what we're doing. Luckily, we did take a picture. And so if we look at it, it goes into Y1. So we're going Y1. To do that, we've got to push this down. You follow me? And then insert that into it. So let's move these away so we don't stick them in our fingers. I'm going to twist it. I'm going to kind of push it with this. Seems to be in there pretty deep. So we got Y1. Let's take a look at our picture. So here's our picture, right? So we're going to look at the white one. It goes into W1, right? So here's W1, right? Let's go ahead and get it in there. We're going to get it in the hole right there. We're going to push this down. Get it in there and then let go of it. And then you want to smush it back in there so you've got it compressed, you know, so this is not sticking out. But it is gonna be great. So this is a blue and this is green, all right? All right, so we're gonna go green first, all right? So I gotta smush it down. We're gonna go into that hole right there. You see that hole? I gotta push this first and then push this in. Ooh, did I get it in there? Yeah, there we go. All right, now we gotta do blue. So blue goes into C, so that's C. All right, here we go. We're going in, deep penetration on C. Come on, get in there. Oh, got it. Wow, that was tough. All right, we're down to 1, which is this one here. Our C, I have no idea what that is. So let's go ahead and press her down. Let's insert this bad boy. Get in there, sweetheart. Let go of it, smush it down. Okay, look, we're looking good. You see that contact? See those pins? Those pins have to fit right in there. You've got to make sure that this is down when you set it on. You're going to just smush it on like that, all right? So that's got to go in those pins. All right, I'm going to get to the side so we can see. All right, look in there. You just got to get it. You see it? Now push it on. Okay, you ready? Let's see if anything happens. Okay, but apparently we did it. We got it right working. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So we're going into the Apple Store and we're going to search Nest app. Yeah, download that. Just hit it. Load it up. All right, we're in. Okay, so now over here it's going to ask us what language we want. We want English. And I think all I do is, look, I think all you do is touch this. Be sure that you push it. There we go. Got it. Confirmed my choice. So you got to come to the right side to do that. All right, confirm your choice. All right, equipment. All right, next step. All right, confirm. Homeowner. Okay, yes, we are. All right, equipment detected. Continue. Heat cooling fan, continue. Fuel source electric, continue. Forced air, continue. Nest app, continue. Add your account. You'll be able to control the thermostat remotely and use additional features. Continue. Use the recent version of the Nest app to get started. Use the entry key or QR code below. Well, I'm just going to click it and see if it does that.
No, hit QR code. It says I need to.
It doesn't do it?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, I see. So you twisted that and it did it. Mm-hmm. Install. All right, so we're entering the internet thing on here. So you got to put your network name and your password in. All right, so this is what you're going to see on your phone when it's doing that. And this is what you see on the unit. Bam, done. Add to your account. Okay, so I guess use the Nest app to continue setting up your thermostat.
There.
Okay, that's it, right? It says add to your account. What's that say? You're done. Thermostat is now configured for your system. Continue.
You tapped it? Because I thought it was...
All I did was, just go
there.
like that. Test your, just like
you can,
this.
It's on.
Okay.
Yeah, you just push
all right, so
like
it's working. Go to cool.
You don't say?
Yeah. So to get to cool, you twist it. All right, we're testing it. Oh, check her out. Look, she's not very tall. What do you want to test?
I'm done.
Yeah. Bam, done. Now you can set it. Where do you want to go?
It's in 220.
So you can turn
75.
You can turn it, just, so to change it, you just twist it. And that's it. All right, bam, Bob's your uncle. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Check out our other awesome videos. Peace out.